you trade off stream. It's like, yeah, I can't stay on stream 24/7, all right? In the futures, if you come down to create a new low, you're probably going to keep pushing down. Let me bring this down a little bit. There you go, boom, cool, out. All right, that'll do. All right, what's going on, guys? So today we took a 12-tick loss here on stream, live on YouTube, for everyone to see how bad of a trader I really am. Now, this was actually a pretty good trade. The risk management was actually also very, very good. We managed the risk from about a 30-tick stop loss to then cutting it at -12, which was fantastic. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can start to manage your risk when the trade doesn't push as you have initially anticipated. So we take a look here on the charts on gold here. We put on the position that we took today here on stream. So we were looking for, obviously gold, you guys know, is in an absolutely ridiculous bullish uptrend. Very, very strong bullish uptrend. And what we were trying to do here on gold is we were trying to catch the 15-minute breakout of this resistance once you grab these 15 lows. So if we get rid of, there's a lot going on gold right now. Let's go to here, get rid of what's just happened previously. So at the time of this 15-minute candle, what we saw was price was grabbing the previous 15 lows, holding this support. Now, although we do have this resistance, which you could say, would it not be a smart idea for you to wait for the actual closure of this resistance? Yeah, it definitely would. But when you understand liquidity and when you understand price is grabbing previous lows and then closing bullish on the 5 minutes, sometimes you can take riskier entries anticipating the breakout. And then if it doesn't break out, then that's fine. But be ready to cut your trade very, very quick. What I basically saw was the 5 minute was actually finally breaking back above this resistance, which has been a very strong level. So as this 5 minute was creating the bottom wick, we pushed up first and then pushed down. I had a buy stop on the break of the high, saying to myself, well, in the last, I think it was 2 minutes, if we can flip back bullish, we should get tagged into a really nice entry and we could see this drive. So we got tagged into this trade. The original stop was minus 31 ticks. Trading at one contract would have been around minus $310. Now, the thing that I didn't like and what I was saying on stream is in the last I think it was in the last maybe like minute of the 5 minute, we were bullish. So we were bullish. If you guys can try and picture this, 4 minutes into this 5 minute candle, we were bullish. So what I then said on stream, and you guys can go back and watch it, well, if this 5 minute is going to come down in the last minute of this 5 minute close, it's probably going to just close bearish. So that's then when we had our stop loss from down here to just below this low here. Because like I said on stream, if we're not going to drive in this 5 minute, we're going to close back into the range and we're probably just going to keep pushing down. We took this trade based off the breakout. So if it breaks back below, then at that point the trade becomes invalid and there's no reason for us to hold this into full stop loss. And now gold's actually having a push. I'm in some more buys here, which I'll show you guys as well. Look, I'm in the wrong screen. We've got too many screens going on. Look at all these screens. Here, we took the 120 tick loss there. I'm currently back in these buys in the break of the high, and my stop loss is going to go same again below this current 5 low because this trade's still valid. I unfortunately just can't stay on stream for all time's sake, but I've just updated the guys in the community with the levels. So we decided to cut this trade minus 12 ticks. You then came back down. We would have been in this like a minus 20, and I would have had to cut the trade there. So all in all, we managed this trade pretty well. You closed back into the range. The 15 didn't close above the resistance. So for me, that's the exit point. I don't want to be in this trade if this 15 can't close above this range. And now you're seeing this push back higher. So, direction was perfect. Volume, not amazing. But hey, we take it on the chin. We manage risk, and that's all we can do. And like I always say to you guys on stream, we cannot control volume. We can just react to what we're seeing. If we break above with good volume and close back below and just continue to chop, that's fine. We'll cut the trade at minus 10 ticks and re-enter. So what I've basically now done is, as you're grabbing these 5 minute lows, I'm in on the buy on the break of this high, looking to just play this up into exactly what we've just expected. So I'm in this current trade here. It's just annoying that these trades come off the stream. I was going, oh, you trade off stream. It's like, yeah, I can't stay on stream 24/7. All right. We're going to go break even on this trade now here. We're about to grab the highs of 130. We're about to grab the highs here on the FX account. Sometimes the spot chart will grab the highs, sometimes futures won't. And that's the reason I watch the futures chart. A lot of you guys always ask me that. I'm actually going to put in my stop loss above the current 5 low because there's no bottom wick here in the futures. If you come down to create a new low, you're probably going to keep pushing down. up 170, 150. I'm going to trail this aggressively, lock in the loss from before. 130, up 150. Let me bring this down a little bit. There you go, boom, cool, out. All right, that'll do. So I made back the little loss. So currently up $127 in the day. You may keep pushing higher, but yeah, that's the trade. That was the re-entry. Closed above the range, grab the lows, re-break the highs, and that's the trade right there. So exactly the same thing that I just did on stream, but off stream. You closed above the range, you grab the lows, you re-break the highs. There's your 14 ticks. Take it, lock it in. The volume's still a bit crap. Don't be afraid to take profit. And yeah, I'll see you guys on stream every single day, 7 a.m. till 9 a.m. London time. See you there. Peace.